Right now, we back. That's Calix. ISO? Hello. So right now we are currently in JSEC. So maybe for right now.
Wala kasi yung range. Let's vote. 3, 2, 1.
Calix. What?
Guardians of the Galaxy.
Was he?
Basta ano. Okay. Malapit lang.
So we on the way to using the
Skyway.
Isipin mo kung may ganun na pagkain sa atin eh, gagawin tabanan na.
I agree.
May ganun na siguro.
Yung secrets pa sarapan din natin alam.
Quite a hit, guys.
Welcome back to the Jeep. What is up, guys? Always seats. Nor do not. I am a changed man now this year.
Here's up. Look at this guy. 2 burger steaks, a rice, and soup. With a Coke Zero. That zero sugar is a fake.
It's always.
Oh my god. Where are we right now? LK.
Pagbukas ng elevator, yung hospital lang. Tapos makikita na si DJ ako kakaiba.
Ano kaya? Transformation kayo ng transformation. Body transformation.
Right now we are in the 5th floor of Riz
There's a
Library.
potential like rap a DG with that girl.
Chicken Marathon. There's potential.
There's potential. It's just not there right now. It's deep inside.
You have to find the way.
You have to unravel.
Right, so right now we are in Farahon. Is everyone? Oh, yes. Yeah, there's Adelaide. Then that's Lian. Vlog time. So things to say though. Adi setting it up. So right now we in the condo waiting for our class to start. So we in with we out here going to jog. First time ever. I don't know why, but I'm gonna jog. I'm trying to be a changed person this year.
If Rafa reaches 10 kilometers, we will liberate him Samji.
I don't want to do this anymore. I'm gassed. I don't know why I agreed to this. So we're halfway with the sprints. I'm gassed. What's UP? There. Yo, how many more left? So right now I'm here with Vince. We're waiting for Tessa to pick us up because she's our grab for today. And we're gonna go to PC. Vlog time.
Anong paalam mo?
Sabi ko jogging ng 6 a.m.
Sabi
Sabi
niya.
niya, jogging sa
Saan ka mag-jogging?
village.
Sa village.
Pupa ka nga!
We are in Waco right now. So Vince is just there with his water. Jessica ordered cookie and sea salt. And I got Biscoff or speculous latte. Look at Nate doing Nate things. Lab work. Lab work.
Gago paano pa-park? Hindi makahinga yung tao eh. Oh shit.
I'm imposter. Walang hint nakalagay doon.
Ay gago, sorry.
Panos ka?
tanong yun.
Di ba makakupal tayo kung lang tayo naka-Jamaica?
Yung nagluluto, ako yung nagluluto. Hindi, i-check na natin babae yung manok.
Food vlog. So we're eating pet show, barbecue, pet show. And so we are in UPTC right now.
Picture tayo sa time zone.
Photo booth tayo sa time zone.
Isa-isa tayo, pre. Hindi ako check out passports.
Quick check, real quick.
Check. Hey, my name is Drew.
Kasi yung asawa mo sumukas, pinakita niya picture, sabi ko, ano palabas, sundan nyo. Sa kanya pagkasunod nila, umuwi na ako.
Hindi siya
Oo, ako nang ilibig.
Kaya nakakita kayo, spinel ko, K-A. Hoy, spinel ko rin ang Alex. Baka picture.
Ulul!